अरुणाचल प्रदेश के भाजपा सांसद तापिर गाव ने एक बार फिर चीन की मंशा पर सवाल खड़े किए हैं। हमारे ईस्टर्न ब्यूरो चीफ रिपुंजय दास के साथ खास बातचीत में तापिर गाव ने कहा कि भारत द्वारा सीमा पर कड़ी सुरक्षा तंत्र, सेना और अर्धसैनिक बलों की तैनाती और दूसरे इंतजाम बेहतर है। तापिर गाव ने कहा कि सीमा पर सड़क और संचार सुविधाओं को और बेहतर करने की जरूरत है।
Particularly after the Galwan Valley episode, what do you think that China will now, since there are reports that they are trying to infiltrate, you have also highlighted that there has been several attempts of excursion or incursion, whatever we say. So what will be your observation on this, sir?
See, always I used to say, don't trust the Chinese. China have got a secret agenda of their expansion policy. Occupying all the neighboring countries' territory is the agenda of China. The Galwan incident has happened. They have withdrawn in some area in the Galwan Valley, but still they are not withdrawing from Pangong Lake, Pingar 5, 6, 7, 8. Still they are occupying. And they have incurred in Himachal Pradesh also, Uttarakhand also. They have the same thing in Bhutan, the same situation in Arunachal Pradesh also. So at any time, China can do any mischievous. So we India should prepare for any consequence, and we should ready for any consequence on the border issue.
And sir, finally, after particularly the Galwan Valley episode, where 20 of our Indian soldiers were brutally killed, including the commanding officer of a battalion. So, do you think that since Arunachal Pradesh shares a huge boundary with China, do you think that the military deployment along the Chinese border in Arunachal should be enhanced, or particularly the Indian Air Force? Should they expedite or their policies against in the Arunachal Pradesh?
With reference to Arunachal Pradesh, we have got sufficient number of military development, paramilitary development along the China border. The only issue is, even in Parliament also I raise, to counter Chinese expansions, we need proper road communications. First, we should construct all the sensitive areas road in the 2-lane all-weather roads, and we have got advanced landing ground sufficiently. Any eventuality, we have got sufficiently advanced landing ground has been established in many border area in Arunachal Pradesh, except there is a lacking is that the road communications. Road communications it should be taken first priority. Still, there are many areas in Arunachal Pradesh where our army, our paramilitaries, they are carrying their guns, carrying ammunitions, their luggages, their rations, working